In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to report police on Waze, updated for 2025. Whether you're a seasoned user or new to the app, understanding how to effectively report police sightings can make your journey safer and assist fellow drivers on the road. So let's dive right in. To start off, make sure you open the Waze app on your smartphone. A little safety tip here. Always do this while you're stopped or have a passenger manage the app if you're driving. It's important to stay safe and focused on the road. Now, once you're on the app's main screen, look for the report button. It usually resembles a speech bubble with an exclamation mark, conveniently located at the bottom of the screen. Tapping the report button will open up a new set of options. Here, you'll want to select the police option. You'll find that this option is typically selected by default on the next screen, streamlining the reporting process. It's a thoughtful design by Waze, allowing you to report quickly without fumbling through many screens. After selecting police, you'll notice several subtypes you can choose from if they're available. Options may include mobile camera, hidden, other side, or simply police. These subtypes help provide a more precise description of the police presence, improving the usefulness of your report. After selecting the appropriate subtype, you can tap the report button to submit your entry. Alternatively, if you prefer, you can wait a few seconds and Waze may submit it automatically on your behalf. This feature is particularly handy if you're multitasking or if you forgot to tap submit. Once your report is sent, it gets broadcasted to nearby drivers. Such collaborative reporting can significantly enhance road safety by keeping other drivers informed about potential speed traps or police activity. Moreover, depending on your region and timing, your report might also appear on Google Maps, extending its reach even further. And there you have it, a simple and effective way to help maintain safety and transparency on the road using Waze. By sharing real-time updates, you're not only enhancing your driving experience, but also contributing positively to a community of drivers around you. Remember, the tool is there to assist, but use it wisely and safely. Thanks for watching and happy driving. If this guide was helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more useful tips and updates. Stay safe out there.